everyone, it's Nettie from I Hear You, back with another video. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how to apply your wig. So I get asked questions sometimes in my DMs, in my emails. People, they want to know if you can wear the wig glueless, how to use the elastic band, or even just, how to cut the lace itself. So I wanted to make this video to answer those questions. I'm going to show you guys how to use the elastic band. I'm also going to show you how to cut your lace. Little tricks that you can do to, make it look nice and seamless. And yeah, stay tuned. So this is the inside of the unit. When you receive your wig, it's going to come ready to wear. It will be styled and done for you already. The wig comes with an elastic band, and it also comes with a comb in the back. Okay, so the elastic band is adjustable. You can take it apart. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. It does come apart. You can just tuck that into your wig if you don't want to use it. That strap right there is adjustable. You can pull it to make the wig snug so the wig can fit. Okay, this lace is transparent. I'm just showing you how it looks against my skin. I'm really light skinned, and the lace looks really good on my skin. So if you have a lighter skin complexion, transparent laces, are really good. And this is an HD lace. Anybody can wear the HD lace. I'm just showing you how see-through it is, and you can't really see it. All laces can be adjusted to any skin complexion with a little lace tint or even a little makeup would do the trick. So when I'm cutting my lace, I like to just make a slit down the middle. I don't just cut it straight across, from one end to the other. I love to work in sections. If you see my other videos, I work in sections. It's just so much easier and less complicated. So split it down the middle, take your scissors, and move in like an up and down motion with your scissors. You see I'm creating like little ridges in the lace. That is going to help your lace lay seamless and blend in better with your skin. So now the end right there, that little tab at the end, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to cut that tab off. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm just going to snip it off. So you're going to see I'm going to cut up and to the side and just get rid of it. That's also going to help your lace lay nice and seamless. Okay. Then I'm going to start cutting on the other side, and I'm actually going to cut the other side with an eyebrow razor. I wanted to show the nice results you can get with that. That's the method that I use. I like to use an eyebrow razor. And another thing that I wanted to share is that some people are not comfortable, I know, cutting the lace on their head. I always cut my lace on my head. I think you'll get the best results by doing that. But in the beginning, when I first started, I wasn't comfortable doing that. So I would place the wig on my dome head to cut it, until I got comfortable enough to cut it on my own head. So if you're using a mannequin head, that's fine, like this one, because you can see what you're doing. If you have one of those like styrofoam heads, put like a stocking cap on it, put a wig cap on it. That way you can see what you're doing. And just cut that tab off, and then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to clean it up because I don't like to have a lot of lace left. Another way you can cut it, if you don't have a styrofoam head or a dome head, just use your own skin. If you're not comfortable enough to cut it on your own head, just place it like right over your knee, let the lace lay against your skin, and just cut it. That way you can see what you're doing. Okay, after I finish cleaning it up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this wig on. I'm going to show you guys the correct way. Alright, so this is the front of the wig. I have the elastic band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the wig around so that the lace part is facing me. Okay, I'm going to grab the elastic band, hold the back, and then I'm going to just bring it around my head to the back, to the nape of my neck, and I'm going to adjust the band so it's fitting snug. I'm going to pull it down, and the comb I'm going to tuck under the band. Okay, I'm going to just adjust the wig, sit it to where I want it, you know, place it where you want it, where it's comfortable, where it looks good. And this lace is fitting like snug onto my head. If you buy a wig that is your circumference and the measurements are right, the wig is going to fit glueless. Like, it's not going to move, it's going to stay there. And I'm just showing you the part there. I like to put makeup on the part just to blend it in. I'm going to do that in a minute. And you can also, before you put the wig on, you can, you know, if you need to blend the wig with your skin, take some of your makeup. If you don't have lace tint, take some of your makeup, put it on the lace itself, and spray it with some holding spray like Got2b. Let it dry, and then you can put your wig on. It'll give you a better, you know, look, a better blend with your skin. You can also use lace tint if you have. If you're using a ball cap method, or you like to use, you know, the wig cap, you can put the makeup directly on the wig cap itself. That'll also help it blend. I just put in a little bit of concealer in my part. Sometimes I'll wear wig cap, sometimes I don't. And I'm just showing you that this wig is snug. It fits good. It's not going to come off. After this video, I had this wig on for hours, and it literally stayed where it was. It didn't even move. Okay, so if you're like me and you like to like super blend your lace, I use glue sometimes, and that does the trick. You can just pick up some IHAIRYOU glue if you like to glue your wig down to get that super melt, and your wig will definitely be in place and it won't move. Okay, I hope I answered all of your questions, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.